Hello, beautiful people. I welcome you to another tutorial. My name is Patman. Thank you so much, my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys a lot. You guys are great. I love you so much. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Of course, do not forget to turn your notification bells on because that is the only way you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful hair bonnet or hair sleek cap, a two-in-one actually. Okay, so I'm going to be making use of this beautiful satin fabric. Okay, and of course these are the stuffs I'm going to be using: the tape rule, the pin, a safety pin as well, chalk, scissors, and yeah, this ½ inch of elastic. So getting started, I'm just going to cut out the piece I'm going to be working with, which is 26, yeah, by 26 in square length. 26 by 26. I already have it cut out here, so I'll just fold, as you can see. So I have it cut out already. 26 by 26, fold into four. First of all, this way, and then this way to give you a square. And of course, I'll start taking my measurement from this point, placing my triple at the edge here. I'll start marking um, 13 all the way here, like this. 13, 13, and of course 13. The next thing, just connect the points like this, and we cut this out. Place the two together so well so that I'm able to cut it out at the same time, as you can see. So the next thing now is to open this up and place it on each other. In such a way that the right sides will be facing each other. Here's the wrong side, here's the wrong side. The right side facing each other. Properly align it and hold it down with a pin. Doing this is to have it in place so that it doesn't move around when you're sewing. The next thing I will do now is to go to the machine and run ½ inch all the way. Okay, I'm going to run ½ inch all the way. Okay, and of course when I'm done, I'll trim out the edges. Very, very important to avoid bulkiness. And of course, when you're running this ½ inch, be sure to leave about 2 inches at any point of the circle. That is where you'll be able to turn this out to the right side. So after doing that, trim the edges like I said, turn it to the other side and give it a perfect press. Okay, give it a very good press. Then of course, we'll get to the next thing. So guys, as you can see, turned it to the right side and of course giving it a very good press. Okay, working on this part that is dark eye, I've already marked out the point here. From this first circle line you're seeing here will be for the ruffle, which is 1 inch, and the next line is ½ inch for the casing. Okay, so I'm just mark this all around. Doing this will make it very easy for you to run your stitches so that you have the line in place. And if you look at this part where we have this 2 inches opening, you can see from the marking, this first line that is for the ruffle, I still left this opening here. It's only this one for the casing that you actually sew through, but for here you will still leave that space open because this is where you still pass your elastic into this casing that you have created. I hope you understand. So guys, I'm done running the stitch. One thing I want to point out here is, because there are two colors, of course, when you're putting in your thread, where you're placing on the table of your machine, be sure that the reeler, the color of the thread is what is in the reeler. Then of course the one that is on top, you also have the matching thread with it. In that case, you have the colors of the thread distributed on each side. As you can see, you don't have it contrasting each other here. I hope you understand that. Okay, so now that I have created the ruffle space and of course my casing, I have my elastic here to start passing it through. Okay, and of course, cutting your elastic, you work with the hair circumference, and the one I'm working with is 23, and the length of elastic I didn't cut exactly 23. Just do 20, the 23 minus it's about 1 or 2 inches, okay, depending on how loose or firm you want the elastic to be on your hair. That's after you form your cap. Okay, so here I took away about 2 inch, which is still okay. Be careful when you're putting this at this point, avoiding it to go in. I'm just going to hold it down with a pin. That way it's unable to um, go in when I'm moving in. So as you pass through this through, be careful to properly adjust this. So now that I've gotten to the edge, I would carefully remove the pin I used in holding the other part. Okay, so I'll also remove the safety pin, holding it firmly, very important please, so that you don't um, get the elastic all loosed out. That means you have to start again. Then now I'm going to knot it, not so much, just knot, and of course make your knot very tight. Then I cut out the excesses, and like, we're almost done. So the next thing I'm going to do now is just to go cover up this stitch where we passed the casing, and of course this other um, part. So that's what I'm going to do now. And of course, when I'm done, I'll evenly distribute my gathers properly, and the cap is ready. Let me finish this one. So guys, this two-in-one beautiful ruffle bonnet is ready. I'm just going to style it on the mannequin so you can see this beautiful work. Is this not beautiful? Like, oh my gosh. Or turn it to the other side and have a different look. Wow. Like, this is beautiful. And I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please guys, don't forget to share my videos, give me a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.